Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial of Prestashop product label module. In this video, I'll explain you the process to configure the module, and I'll also show you that how you can create various product labels and show it on your product page and product listings of your shop. These product labels help you to show the products that are either on sale or that are new products, and various customizable labels are being offered via this module that you can apply to your products. So let's just go to the Prestashop back office to see how this product label can be created and assigned to various products. This is the configuration page of the module. I'll just explain you the working and the significance of each of the options available in this configuration settings. So the first section is about labels visibility setting. In this section, you can particularly choose whether where and on which pages you will be showing the product labels. So let's just see each of the options one by one. The first option is display label randomly. This option allows you to show the labels that are being assigned on the same positions randomly. Let's say if you have created a product label and you have set the positions of those labels on same positions, then the labels that are being assigned according to their priority are shown. But if multiple labels positions are same and you have chosen to display the labels randomly and their priority is also same, then they are shown on the product page on the level on the basis of their priority level which you have set for the particular product label. Then whether you want to show these product labels on the product page or not, same goes for all the other pages, these settings, that is category page, brand page and supplier page. After that, you can customize the dimension of the labels that you want to show on the product and for different pages that you can see here, that product, category, brand and supplier. Again, you can customize the position for each of these pages, customize the dimension for the product labels for each of these pages accordingly and as per your own convenience. Then next is special offer label settings. I can explain you only when we create a product label and see the section of label rules. However, I will just give an overview about it. In case if you have created a product label and from the label rule settings, if you are applying a discount label, Prestashop discount label to a product, then you can customize the view of that particular discount label from here. Let's say if a product or the products which you are offering are offered on 20% discount per se with the Prestashop discount label, then the 20% discount label which will be shown on the product listings and product page, how they will be shown, that is their font size, text color, background color and font family, etc., that you can customize here from the configuration settings itself. Now after configuring the module, let's just go to the section where we'll know more about creating a product label. So after the integration of the module, you will find that under catalog section, a new tab that is product labels is added. Click on this, then you will land on this page where you will find 3 different tabs. We'll discuss each of these tabs and their significance and the change they bring onto the front end one by one. Just for the sake of explanation, I have already created 2 product labels here. However, in order to create a new label, you can simply click on this button and land on the page where you will find a form to create a label. But to explain you more clearly, we'll just take one of the already created product labels and we'll go on to edit the same. The form page which is being shown while editing is same which you will find while creating a new label. So let's just proceed to edit one of the labels that I have already created. So in order to create a label, first you will need to enter a title of the label. Then whether you want to show this title on hovering the cursor over a label or not, you can enable or disable that from this option. Then add a small description about this label. Then how do you want to show the label? You can choose from here whether it will be an image label, a text label, or a Google material icon. In case of image label, you get the option to choose a label icon by clicking here. These are the already created product labels that are being offered via module. You can select one of the labels from here and that will be shown on the front end. Apart from that, you can also choose to create this as a text label. In case of text, enter the text which you want to show as a label, then customize its view by choosing a text color, background color, font size and font family. In case of Google material icon, you just need to fill in the name of the material icon in the format which is shown here, and that material icon will be fetched and shown onto the product as a label if you choose to create that by Google material icon. Then in case of material icon 2, you can customize its view by choosing a text color, background color, font size, etc. But as you have seen that this label was already created with an image. So in case of image, as I already explained you can choose a already available label icon from here, and you can also choose to add your own file in case if you want from your system itself. Then whether you want to show or display banner for these labels or not on the home page of shop, you can enable that option. If you enable, you need to upload a suitable banner from your system. Then what will be the label priority which you are creating here. Then for how much days you want to show this label to your customers, you can set that by choosing a start date and end date for these labels. Then set a position for the label which you will be showing on the product page. I'll just show you the preview. As you can see, if we choose this position, the label will be shown here on the product image on the product page and on various product listings available on category page, supplier page, etc. Then on which pages you want to show this label and what will be the dimension of these labels shown on various pages, you can customize that from here. Which groups will be allowed to see these labels, you can also choose that. If you want that your customer only sees these labels and visitor and guests are not able to see this, then you can simply select the customer option and deselect these 2 options which are already selected here. Then whether you want to enable or disable this label, you can select that as per your own convenience. In case it happens sometimes that you have created a product label and now you no longer need to show those labels on the product page, then you can simply disable this product label from here, and that product label will be hidden from the product page of your shop and product listings of your shop. Then there is another option to display label with the content. If you are displaying any particular label and you also want to show some extra information about that label on the product page, you can simply choose to show that by enabling this option and adding a particular content which you want to show to your customers. I'll just show you how it is shown on the product page. As you can see that the content which you have added is shown here because this label is already added to this product. I just made it clear because it could have created a confusion if I have not shown you how this content is shown. But we'll see how those labels are added or assigned to a product in coming parts. For now, let's just understand what extra options is left in this page. Then you can choose to customize the view of that content from here. The color of the text, background color, font size, and font family of the text which you are showing on the product page, same as above. Now, after creating a label, you simply need to click on the save button and proceed. After creating a label, all the listings of all the labels which you have created will be shown here. Then next section is of label bulk action. So let's just go to this bulk action. Under this bulk action tab, you can choose to add a new filter so that you can apply a particular label to multiple products simultaneously. As you can see that I have already created a filter from this product name pattern, particular product name pattern, and I have managed to apply a product label simultaneously to 5 products in all. So we'll just edit this particular filter so to understand each of the options clearly. Under the label bulk action form, you will find that you need to add a product name pattern. After that, there are multiple options available here in order to simplify or filter your search based on that. Let's just say if you have 1000 or 2000 products, then it will be much hard to apply these labels simultaneously to a large group of products. So you can choose to filter them on the basis of category, a product name pattern and then brand, then on the basis of minimum and maximum price, quantity, etc. Then after searching, you will find list on the basis of the data which you have filled here, and you can accordingly add or delete all the products on which you want to add a product label. Then you can also choose to add a label which you want to show on the product page. In case if you don't want to show any label, you can just simply deselect that option. You can also restrict a label from showing on that product page by selecting one of the labels that you have already created from here. So this was a simple option to apply a label to a large number of products simultaneously. Then next section is of label rule. Under label rule, you can choose to apply a label to large number of products on the basis of multiple things. Let's just see what are those things by creating a new rule. On the basis of label rule type, you get an option to apply a label on the basis of these particular options that are available for rule type, that is price, rule, special offer, customer discount, best selling, and etc. in case if you choose to apply via price rule, let's just see what happens when we choose to create a new label rule on the basis of price rule. Then you will need to add a minimum price and maximum price on which the products will be filtered or sorted out. And if you select any one of the labels from here, then all the products that you have filtered or managed to filter on the basis of these things, there this particular label or the selected label will be applied simultaneously. So this was all about the configuration settings and process to show or assign label to products. Now let's just go to the front end of the shop to see what is added and how the labels are shown on the product page. So this is the product page on which, as you can see, that two labels are added. This one is an image label and this one is a text label which we have added as a second product label. As I have already explained to you, this was the content which you can choose to add while creating a new label. Now, on the basis of these labels, as you can see that two of the products have been and have the same product label. So this product listings or the two or multiple or many products can have a same label and they can be applied simultaneously based on the options that have been provided to the admin, and that options have been provided to the admin for easy assignment of product labels to the products. Next is there was also an option, if you can remember, of adding a banner while creating a product label. So in case if you add a product label or create a product label and add a banner to that label, then those banners will be shown here on the home page at last section. Then you can click here on this particular button to see all the product labels that is available on the shop or that has been assigned to the product page or the products of the shop. You can click on any of these banners to see all the products that have the product label assigned under this banner. So this was all about the process to create a product label and assign to the product so that your customers can easily recognize any new offer or let's just say best selling product or a new product that you are offering via these product labels, and it will be helpful for them to easily recognize them and go for them or shop them accordingly. So this was all about the configuration and process to create product labels. I hope this video helps you to configure and use the module in the best possible way. Thank you.